sites. Bingo Pot in Magsaysay Drive beside Sam's Pizza. And Bingo Bonus in Barreto. Bingo Party located at RC Mall, East Bakbak Public Market. And your favorite bingo place, Bingo Party Traditional Bingo, is now open to serve you from 12:30 p.m. till 8:30 p.m. Bingo Pot is open from 11 a.m. to 4 a.m. Game responsibly. See you there.
And check out the Hooray for Rainy Days promo at Bingo Pot, TAC Treasure Amusement Corporation. Grand raffle draw on August 31, 2024. Get the chance to win cash, sacks of rice, and appliances. Hooray for Rainy Days promo at Bingo Pot and Treasure Amusement Corporation.
Hello everyone, this is Paul Sapera and you're listening to DJ Tommy G, the Hitman at 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Thank you for listening.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio, public health advisory this time. I guess you guys already know this is all over the news, the Mpox virus. All right, it used to be called the monkeypox. Now we just call it the Mpox. All right, it's transmitted to humans through person-to-person transmission. All right, hindi naman kagaya ng COVID na it goes in the air, di ba? Na malanghap mo yung air na nilanghap mo, air na nilanghap ng merong COVID, mahahawa ka na. Human transmission to person-to-person contact talaga, like. You do handshake with somebody who has Mpox. You hug them. Niyakap mo, kubis ka, gano'n. Yun. Kiss mo si pare. Sabay sabi ng I love you pare. Yun. Pwede kang mahawa sa gano'n. Hindi naman sa hangin lang no? Okay, so mas madaling mahawa yung COVID Pero sa Mpox hindi naman gano'n. Pero still, we have to be alert. We have to take extra precaution. Okay? Indirect contact pwede rin with contaminated bedding, clothing, linens, or other objects. Alright? Halimbawa, tuwalya ni pare, ginamit mo rin. Tinwalya mo rin. Meron siya, tapos pinunas mo rin sa'yo. Yun, mahahawa ka doon, no? Okay? So, that's how you get, that's how it's transmitted, no? Okay? O kaya, hinatsingan ka rin ni pare or ni mare na merong Mpox na direkta sa mukha mo, yung secretions pumasok sa'yo, ayun. Okay, mahahawa ka rin doon. Okay? And what are the symptoms? Symptoms include skin rash or mucosal lesions accompanied by fever. Alright? So, yan yung mga symptoms na pwede mong makuha or mag-manifest sa'yo, no? Swollen lymph nodes and sore throat. Kasama rin sa symptoms yon. Muscle aches and back pain. Tapos, persistent headache and low energy. Lobat. Okay? So, if you have combinations of the following, naku, pa-check ka na, ha? Alright? Sabi nga nila, an ounce of cure, an ounce of prevention pala. Mali pa no? It's better than a pound of cure. Alright? So, this public health advisory for the treatment and prevention of Mpox. Let's pass it on to everybody. Ipasa po natin sa lahat para kumalat yung kaalaman, ha? Ayan, let's all be aware. Hopefully, wag naman maging epidemic to, no? On a national level, gaya nung COVID, no? Wag naman sana. All right? So, there you go. The public health advisory about Mpox for you. Okay? And here's the lineup of activities for the National Tourism Month celebration. We have different events, different celebrations for you. September 11 to 12 is the Central Luzon Sustainable Tourism Summit. Okay? Central Luzon Sustainable Summit Tourism 2024. A National Tourism Month Job Fair September 16. All right? September 18, digital marketing session that will be happening at, I think this is going to be at the Subic Bay Exhibition and Convention Center, right? And September 23, we will be having the hashtag NoFilter Subic Bay, a travel photo contest, okay? September 23, unveiling the wonders of Subic Bay tour guiding video contest, all right? And September 25, Tourism Rhythms Dance Battle, dance contest, okay? And September 27, the outreach program, all right? All of these events are open for everybody in the Greater Subic Bay area, Olongapo, Bataan, Zambales, half of Zambales, half of Bataan, okay? But take note, however, that for the tour guiding video contest, pang mga students lang po yan. Okay? Doon sa mga schools, that's within the Greater Subic Bay Area na sinasabi ko. Ha? Okay? Those schools, high school and college schools. Okay? Pati na rin yung tourism rhythm dance battle. For schools then, only for students. The schools in the Greater Subic Bay Area. Alright? For a complete list of rules, complete details, visit the Subic Bay Tourism, SBMA Tourism Facebook page. It's called Funtastic, F-U-N-tastic, Subic Bay. Lahat po ng rules, lahat ng gusto nyo malaman, lahat ng detalye, even the criteria for judging the prizes, it's all posted there. Visit the official page, as well as the links for registrations, okay? Link for the QR code if you want to register, if you want to join, it's all there. Visit that page. Okay, that's all you gotta do. All right, so that's the latest from in and around Subic Bay, Freeport. And this time, I want to give a big shout out to our friends at Bestie's Bag Collection. They are located at number 17 Bonifacio Street, Barangay Pag-asa, Olongapo City. All right, it's also located at the same admin Ref and Aircon office. Okay, doon sa Bonifacio Street. Madaling hanapin yan. Punta na kayo sa Bonifacio Street, makikita nyo na yung admin's office, and doon din yung Bestie's Bag Collection for quality and affordable top grade bags and super sale. All right, Bodega Bag Collection, Bestie's Bag Collection. Hanapin niyo sa Facebook, okay? Bestie's, B-E-S-T-I-E-S Bag Collection. And they also do live selling, okay? Antabayanan niyo po pag nag-live selling, mura na nga to, mas malaki pang discount yung makakuha nyo pag sa live selling kayo bumili, ha? Watch out for the live selling on Facebook that's being posted regularly. Again, you gotta follow the Facebook page, okay? Alright? So, check it out. The Bestie's Bag Collection, yung mga mahihilig sa bag, lalong-lalong pang regalo, magandang pang regalo kay mahal. Alam niyo naman yung mga mahal natin, di ba? Gustong-gusto niya ng mga bag. Mga bag, shoes, yan. Pinaka-favorite ng mga mahal natin yan, di ba? Bags and shoes and clothes, of course, and jewelries. And the world. So, visit the Bestie's Bag Collection and like and follow the page, okay? To keep you updated as well. And final set of invites here coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Do check out the Cyber Zone events for you. The month of August is Cyber Zone month, okay? They got cosplay and toy collectibles, what else? Tech fair, tech gadget sale, and a whole lot more. The whole month of August at all SM Supermalls. Cyber month. Check out the everyday deals. 200 pesos off MWF Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Extra 3 times SM Advantage card points Tuesdays and Thursdays. And Saturdays, get the chance to win a free 500 SM gift pass at your SM store. August 1 to 31. And if you got plans on attending the Mass, check out the Sunday Mass schedule at the SM City Olongapo Central. Every Sunday, of course, 9 a.m. at the ground level near Starbucks. Also, the SM Home Amazing Sale, Amazing August, is up until August 1 to September 1 only. Okay, so hurry, up to 50% off on selected items. SM Home Amazing August Home Sale. And now showing Unhappy For You at all SM cinemas, okay? And I might as well give you the complete lineup of movies for SM Cinema Downtown and SM Cinema Central as well, okay? And you may also purchase your tickets, your cinema tickets online, okay? Mas maaga para for you to be able to avail the seats that you want, okay? Movie lineup for SM Central Cinema, Cinema 1, Unhappy For You, Cinema 2, Alien Romulus, Cinema 3, Blink Twice, back-to-back with Deadpool and Wolverine, back-to-back. Cinema 4, Blue Lock, back-to-back with Harold and the Purple Crayon. At Cinema 5, The Crow, and back-to-back with 17 Tour. Cinema 6, Detective Conan, The $1 Million Pentagram, back-to-back with Whisper in the Wind. All right? And for the downtown cinemas, Cinema 1, Unhappy For You, Cinema 2, Alien Romulus, back-to-back with Blink Twice, and at Cinema 3, The Crow. Okay, so there you have it. The lineup of movies for SM Cinema Downtown and SM Central. Okay? Once again, you may purchase your tickets online, all right, for you to be able to grab the seat that you want, yung gusto nyong maging seat for it, okay? And yeah, all right. So those are the invites from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown, okay? Time for me now to press play on the next requested song. This one's coming from Carlos Santana featuring Nas. This is their version of the Def Leppard original hit. I mean AC/DC original hit, not Def Leppard. I'm mixing things up. All right, this is Back in Black, 895 Subic Bay Radio.